Welcome to EDC Ideas and welcome to my video, the 1000 euro EDC kit. There are two main reasons why I want to do this video. The first reason is I'm near the 1000 followers and I want to bring back this number in one of my videos. I have to say thank you for all the amazing comments and the outstanding support. And the second point is I want to set this video between 2 points. On the one side, maybe I've lost the modesty and parts of the community too, because this hobby is really expensive. And on the other hand, the sky is the limit. You can spend a lot of money in this amazing hobby. I have checked the prices, and the prices of the different products change from time to time and in the internet from minute to minute. I have not included a smartphone, jewelry and a watch into my kit. This would make the kit a lot more expensive. Let's start with the Benchmade 940, one of my favorite pocket knives. The Benchmade Osborne 940 costs here in Germany around 245 euros. It's a very popular knife design. I really like the different curves of this knife, the locking mechanism, the pink backspacer here, the pocket clip. You find different models of this cool Benchmade knife, but this is the original one or the most basic one. And when we come back to the topic of this video, surely it's possible to buy a knife that's a lot more expensive than this one. Let's come to the next items. This is the Knipex Cobra XS and this is the Plier wrench Mini or XS version from Knipex. The Knipex pliers stand for high quality made in Germany, and these two little beauties here are highly recommended in the EDC community. Very useful, lightweight but very durable tools. I like to carry the Knipex Minis in this specific pouch for both pliers. It's a cool and durable pouch and you have enough room to store, for example, a flashlight in this rubber loop. You can carry the Knipex Minis in this pouch when the pouch is closed, but the hook and loop combination allows it to carry the flap open too. The combination of these little pliers and the pouch you see before is around 73 euros here in Germany. Let's come to my wallet. It's a wallet from the Bridge. It's a relatively new wallet and I really like the quality of the leather and the different compartments. I have enough room to store some cards and paperwork. All in all, a great wallet for EDC. It's available for 150 euros here in Germany. Let's come to one of my favorite pens during the last weeks. This is a bolt action pen from Smooth Precision. All in all, it's a heavy duty but high quality pen. You have a lot of fun to play with and I love all the details, for example the jimpings here. This cool pen was available with different materials. I really like this model because of the patina. You find different designs when it comes to the Smooth Precision pens, but I really like this simple and very clean design because in my opinion it's one of the most elegant designs they made. And last but not least, the price was 150 euros. Let's come to my flashlight in this set. This is the Fenix PD25R. In my opinion, this flashlight is pure EDC perfection. Let's come to some features. I really like the output, the different modes, but I like especially the two-way pocket clip. You can carry this flashlight in your pockets or on your cap, and you have this sealed charging port here, and the O-ring makes it waterproof. When it comes to the functionality, you have the on and off switch here, and you can cycle through the different modes with this switch. The Fenix PD25R is one of my most used flashlights for EDC. I really like the functionality, I really like the quality. I have only the best experiences with the quality of Fenix flashlights. The flashlight costs around 50 euros and the only disadvantage is this pouch here, but I normally carry the flashlight with the pocket clip. Always stay sharp with this Benchmade sharpening tool. With 69 euros, the price is ridiculous. This sharpening tool comes with a ceramic rod, a leather strap and a deep carry pocket clip. Yes, the price is ridiculous, but the functionality is great. And in my opinion, this version fits in perfectly, a Benchmade knife and a Benchmade sharpening tool. That sounds like a great combination. And you are right, there are a lot of cheaper and more budget-friendly sharpening options on the market, but I really like the design, the pocket clip and this very small but great leather strap. And another cool and fairly expensive model is the Exotac Nano Striker XL. Let's take a look inside. You can unscrew the cap here, so you get your striking tool. You can unscrew the cap here, and so you get a better handle for your fire steel. A cool feature of this tool is you can replace the fire rod. This cool option for EDC enthusiasts cost around 37 euro. Let's come to the multi-tool. I choose high quality. This is the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. You find different models of the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. You find a model with a one-hand opening blade. You find a model with serrations. You find a model without scissors. And I have the standard model with a two-hand opening blade and the scissors. The fit and finish and the build quality of the Victorinox tools is amazing, and in my opinion the fit and finish level is a bit higher than the high-end tools from Leatherman. I don't want to discuss if Victorinox or Leatherman makes the better tools. I think both brands have their advantages, but this one is my choice, and I will come to other accessoires I carry with the Victorinox Swiss tool. I carry also this bit holder here. It's a Victorinox bit holder, and I've added some other bits, and this L tool here is also a Victorinox tool. And I also carry in my Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit set this bit extender here and the corkscrew with a small flathead screwdriver. You only have to add the corkscrew to this small slot here. And the small screwdriver here is always useful when you have to repair your eyeglasses. I really like this combination for small repairs around the house or when it comes to camping. A really cool and high quality and, as you see, used set. A big advantage is that this set fits perfectly into the big Victorinox pouch. You have the slot for the multi-tool here, the bit kit, the bit extension and the small flathead screwdriver with the corkscrew. The complete set with the new bits costs around 153 euros. Everywhere I go I carry this small Victorinox Classic or the Victorinox Rambler. The Victorinox Classic includes the small blade, the nail cleaning tool with a nail file and the nail cleaning tip. You also have excellent scissors, but I mainly carry this tool because of the tweezers and the toothpick. You get this little tool from Victorinox for around 22 euros. It's a model from the Victorinox 58mm series, and in my opinion the 58mm series from Victorinox is keychain perfection. Especially the nail cleaning tool, the tweezers and the toothpick are great additions to the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. There was a comment under one of my previous videos when it comes to self-defense, so I decided to include a product for self-defense into my kit. This is a very popular and high quality pepper spray from Fox Labs. It's the mean green version. It's a very strong pepper spray with a high quality flip top mechanism to secure the spray in your pockets. When you carry a pepper spray, please make sure that's legal in your area, in your country or in your state. There are different regulations around the world. And to make the self-defense set complete, I carry the Fox Labs pepper spray in this Tasmanian Tiger pepper spray pouch. I think it's one of the best pouches for pepper spray on the market. You can open this pouch easily with gloves, and it's attachable to your molly system, and you also can carry this one on your belt. I have spent 42 euros for this little self-defense set. When we talk about an EDC kit, we need definitely an EDC pouch for the kit, and I choose a classic, the Maxpedition Mini. You have an area for your patches here, a front compartment, high quality zippers, and I really like the different compartments here. You have a place for your keyring or for your keychain tool, and different slots for tools, flashlights and other gear. You can attach different stripes on the back, so you can attach this pouch to your molly system. All in all, it's one of the most used EDC pouches here on YouTube, I think, and I really like this one too. Here in Germany, you have to spend around 30 euros for this Maxpedition pouch. There are so many great EDC options on the market for different sets, no matter if it's a 100 euro set, a 500 euro set, or this 1000 euro set. Please let me know in the comment section below if you want to see other sets, for example a 100 euro set or a 500 euro set.